So a bull market is when the price is going up. It's
Gotcha.
charging. A bear market is when it's hibernating. It's losing its steam. Well, right now, this crypto market is in a bull run. And
So it's picking up steam.
it's
Coming.
picking up steam. And
Okay.
every 4 years, crypto goes into a bull market. The last bull market was 2017, when
17,
Bitcoin
right?
got to 20,000. What is this year? 2000
20 to 21, baby.
going
But
into 21, that fourth year, right? So we know by the 4 year standard that we are moving into this bull run. And we can see it with the way the price is rising right now. That it's just starting to take off steam.
so it is no coincidence in the timing of this. We trying to get everybody straight before 2021, right?
Yeah,
They
you
need to catch that wave, right?
yeah, you need to get it now because the predictions are that Bitcoin will be $300,000 by the end of 2021.
I read an article that said that.
Yeah, I say 200. I say a half. I say a quarter million. I say about 250,000 by the
Yeah.
end of next year. I see Bitcoin, and people say, "Oh man, you crazy." Well, if you've been following this market and you see the gains, every 4 years, the first 4 years, Bitcoin went up 5,000% within the first 4 years. So from 2008 to 2012, in the year 2012, Bitcoin rose 5,000%.
Jeez. All
So
right.
then you got
Before you go on, you said it rose 5,000%. And let's just so people understand what that number look like. If I had $100 in and it rose 5,000%, what do I take out?
I think it's 5 million.
I just want to make sure we ran past that math five
Yeah,
thousand times over. All right,
yeah.
cool. Go ahead. Finish
So,
what you were saying.
so then the second 4 years was into 2017,
Hmm.
2018. Bitcoin went up 1,000 and like 300 and some percent. Now we in 17 to 21. So it's going to go up. Let's say it go up 1,000%. Just say 1,000%.
And I
Right
had
now,
$100 in at 1,000%. What we looking
but
at?
right now you ain't gonna get as much though,
All
because
right.
Bitcoin is right now Bitcoin 17,000. But let's say Bitcoin go up 1,000% from 17,000. You see how you can say 150,000. You can say 300,000 because we don't know what Bitcoin is going to be at the end of this year. The way it's looking, Bitcoin may be over 20,000. If it's
Yeah.
over 20,000, and then you multiply that times 1,000%, you can see how somebody can say 200,000, 300,000 by the end of next year, right?
I and I can feel that because, like you said, I think just the leverage, right? As more consumers start picking up Bitcoin as a payment process type deal, you know what I'm saying? Like you said, nobody coming in retail no much anymore. So I think the more and more retailers is just going to drive those coin prices up because, like you said, you got gold, you got digital gold.
Yeah,
So
you have Square that just started Bitcoin, and then the next main one was PayPal. PayPal is now you can buy Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin on PayPal. That's what's leading this charge is PayPal. What domino
okay,
falls after PayPal? Amazon.
yeah,
Once
yeah.
Amazon starts allowing it,
It's
we
over.
is over,
We
right? So
yeah,
we see
yeah.
the writings on the wall, and then also with this coronavirus and the fact that people are staying home and they saying we have a shortage in change. People don't want to exchange money to each other because they're worried about germs. So you can see how we are moving into a form of digital payment systems wherein I'm not touching the money no more. I'm paying through a credit
So
card. I'm
so
paying through my
I like
phone.
that point. I like that point. So basically, what you're saying, kind of, we're getting conditioned with this coronavirus to use digital currency all the time. Again, we don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch this. You can't use coins no more. You after a while, them dollars just run out.
Mhm.
We
So
right
the
on track.
perfect storm. This is the
Exactly.
perfect storm
I
to
feel.
usher in this digital payment system. Some people biblically call it the mark of the beast, right? Where and remember, if you into the Bible, it talks about a time where it's one world currency,
Hmm.
one world order, right? Where you look at where we're headed with this. Now, my thing is this: it's like if this is where I'm going, and I'm in the world, I'm gonna play the game.
Yeah.
I'm not going to sit back and say, well, you know what? I'm not going to do it. and wait till I'm 40. Listen, they was talking about sending out stimulus checks in digital wallets.
I
This is
saw
the
that. I
United
saw
States
that.
government.
The
Yeah,
US dollar, right? Or the
yeah.
digital dollar.
They got a digital dollar. Like
Yep,
this
yep,
stuff
yep.
is coming, family. So my whole thing is let's get involved. Let's not sit on the sideline and be I wish I coulda, woulda. Now that
The
we
time.
on Trip Talk, your viewers hear this. So you know what I'm saying? When
I
you know
am.
better, you gotta do better. It's no
Yeah.
longer where I didn't know. No, you know now. So the question is, since you know, let's put forth some effort and let's try to get this thing done, man, to better our families.
My man, my